How to manage maintenance notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage maintenance notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, click on it and then click this one, settings, and go down and you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and go down and you will find this one here, maintenance. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and click on it again if you want to turn it on. And that's how to manage maintenance notifications on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.